Bondzansi. I'm Dhesi. Our team have over 40 years combined experience in the home loan industry. And today, we are here to unlock the secrets of home financing for you.
And I'm Lena G, your home loan guru. We'll be tackling everything you need to know, from getting pre-approved loans to boosting your credit score.
Pre-approved loans? Let's not put the cart before the horse, shall we, Lent? Our viewers need to know how to pay off their loans sooner.
Sure, Dhesi. But what about getting that loan in the first place? You can't pay off a loan you don't have, bruv.
I get it, and that's true. But once they have it, they will want to get rid of it, and fast. And that is where our tips come in.
Alright, mate. But let's not forget about credit scores. A good score can open doors literally to your new home.
Absolutely, Lent. And we'll show you how to swing those doors wide open. But let's not overwhelm our viewers just yet. Baby steps, Daddy-o.
No worries. We'll take it one step at a time, from the basics of mortgages to the finer points of home equity.
Excellent. And let us introduce you to Bondzansi's home hacks. Introducing our Bondzansi home hack segment. We'll be sharing those why didn't I think of that tips to make your home shine brighter than a bourgeois roll at a braai.
Get ready to unlock your home's full potential. We'll help you turn your house into a home. Because let's face it, Mzansi, your home should be as fun and fabulous as you are.
We've got a brand new home hack coming up every week. So keep it Bondzansi. So, whether you're a first-time home buyer or a seasoned homeowner, we've got you covered.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll start with the basics of home loans. Trust me, it's going to be Bondzansi, Mzansi.
Hey, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon. So, if you're looking for the perfect home loan in Mzansi, try Bondzansi.